and that is in Cameron.
Flooding problems have not stopped at an apartment complex for low-income and disabled families in Cameron.
6 News visited this complex more than 2 years ago, and residents say flood issues haven't been resolved, so they reached back out to us for some help. 6 News anchor Adriana Alexander is here in studio and heard from residents there who also say maintenance manager hasn't had a solution. Adriana.
Well, we visited this apartment complex in 2023, but residents there say flooding continues to be an issue and they're working to get that resolved as soon as possible. We're checking back in on the flooding problems at the Williams Trace Apartments in Cameron.
Well, from my understanding, it's been flooding ever since this apartment complex got built.
Residents living there say each time there's heavy rain, the complex's parking lot floods, reaching more than 2 inches high. This is video taken by a resident in June.
I've just lost my car. I had to get it towed twice and then come to find out that the water submerged in it and locked my motor. And it cost me $6,000 to get it fixed.
6 News has visited the apartment complex about the same issue in 2023. The owner of the property, Stephen Pohl, told 6 News the problem was being addressed.
Our option here is to build a big storm collection box, put heavy-duty pumps in there and just pump it into the ditches.
But as of now, people living there say nothing has happened since.
That's something that I asked them about point blank when I first moved in. How's the flooding? Because I knew I was going to be moving into this building. And they said that it was something that was resolved. It's not.
Tuesday, I spoke with maintenance manager Michael Corley off camera about the flooding issue. He said in late June, he installed sewer sub pumps to divert the water out of the complex.
I think it's gotten better because they said the city did something and put in like some sort of larger pipe.
The hope is when it rains heavy again, the pumps will function the way they're supposed to consistently.
Just because we live out here and we need a place to stay, we also have rights as tenants too. Now, I contacted the property owner via text message and phone call today, but received no response. We also reached out to the mayor for comment, but his team said he was unavailable. We will continue to follow the story to see if the new water drainage system functions correctly.
Adriana, glad you checked in with them again. Thank you.